What's going on, guys? Adam Snyder here with the Homemade Entrepreneur. Today I want to show you how to make thousands of dollars a month doing retail arbitrage at Marshall's and TJ Maxx. Those are two incredible locations you can make a lot of money on. Now here, let me show you something. This right here is a toy. I sold that, made about $20, $25 profit. This thing right here, it's lotion that I bought from Marshall's or TJ Maxx. Okay, one of the two, and I think I made about $15 to $18 on that. These right here, if you can't guess, are shoes, okay? Sold 2 pairs of shoes. These are just the things that I sold today, this morning. And I'm gonna profit over $150 from these 4 things just because I went out, sourced them, bought them, and then listed them on eBay. Now, you can sell a lot of stuff on eBay, on Etsy, on Amazon, the list goes on, Mercari, wherever you want, okay? There's a lot of places you can sell stuff. So if you're not in the game, if you're not doing retail arbitrage, trying to make that money, you're missing out. So what I want to do is I want to show you 3 things. You can go right now to Marshall's and TJ Maxx, find these exact items, flip them on eBay, and make some money. So let's go. Okay, so let me show you 3 items that you can go and get right now, okay, from Marshall's or TJ Maxx. This is a cool one that I actually picked up. I actually got 2 of these. Okay, I got a red one, I got an all black one. Picked these up. One was $32. Okay, $31.99 was what one was. The other one was, I think it was $27. It was a clearance item. That was the red wash. Okay, is the Diesel Mr. Daddy 2.0s. I find these all the time at TJ Maxx. Not very much at Marshall's. Okay, so here's the red one that I picked up. I haven't sold it yet. Okay, so just be aware, I have not sold this one yet, but here's the red one, and the all black one, this one down here, okay? This is the one I picked up right here. Okay, so I picked up 2 of these. This one sold for $1.99, okay? I picked it up for $32, $31.99. The red one, okay, I'm not sure if that one and this one are the same, but this one has a black face, the red, the black accents on the side. That one I picked up for $27, and that was clearance, okay? So you just, and this one right here is coming from Hong Kong. Who knows if that one's even real, right? But what you need to understand is things like this sell all the time. You just gotta go find them. One of the things that I noticed about, when it comes to buying some of this stuff is that most people aren't willing to ask somebody behind the counter, hey, could I see that? And you pull out your phone, you check. You got your phone right here, you pull it out, you do the eBay app, you do Amazon, whatever app you're using, whatever online marketplace you're selling at, you look and see, okay, what are the comps? What has sold recently, so that you have an idea, okay, can I make any money off this or not? If you can't, you give it right back and you're done, okay? You walk away, go find something else. If you can, that's when you really need to just purchase the product. And that's where I see so many people struggle, is they're not willing to pull the trigger and go that next step that, okay, I'm going to give you $32 in hopes I'm going to make, about $40 to $50 profit. But what if it doesn't happen? Well, that's one of the things, that's one of the chances, that's the risk you take as an online reseller doing retail arbitrage. Here's another item. These ones right now, as I shoot in this video, okay, I just picked up some more of these, okay, and I'm just going to send them over to Amazon. But these things are sweet, okay? Because you can get these. So at one of the Marshall stores I went to, I found these exact shoes for $16, okay? And no, these were not the ones that sold this morning. I found at another Marshall store this exact shoe, these Nike Mercurial Superflies, okay, in the electric green, okay? So I found these exact ones right here. I found them for $16 at one. I found them for $19.99 at another. And the third Marshall store that I went to, I found these ones for $5, but they do not come with a box, okay? So the ones I bought for $16 and the ones I bought for $19.99 all came with boxes. The ones I bought for $5, or $5.50 after taxes, because they didn't accept my reseller's certificate, that one, they don't come with a box. But I can still sell them, okay? Just new without box, okay? I'm going to sell those here on eBay. So if you look here, now these ones, great, okay, didn't find those. These blue ones, didn't find those ones, okay? And so you got, or actually these ones I did. There they are, the electric green, okay? And then some will come with a bag if they have the box. Probably the bag's going to be included. If they don't have the box, the bag will not be included. But look at that, okay? Even if I, for $20, at $70, let's say I sell for $50, I'm still making money, okay? And that's the whole goal with doing retail arbitrage, is that you buy a product and you flip it and make a little bit more money. You don't got to make a lot, just a little bit extra. Can you flip 4 products and make 150 like I did today? Maybe, but that's not typical. Some days I'll take 4 products and I'll make $40 to $50. That's it. But I take that $40 or $50 and I turn it back into more inventory, and that's where you start making more money. And that's where retail arbitrage really ramps up your business. Now, third item I want to show you. This one right here, this exact backpack right here, okay? This one, you see it right here, okay? New with tag. I found this at Marshall's, okay? Found this exact same bag at Marshall's. Now, here's the cool part. This one right here, I ended up picking up for $24. $24, okay? And yes, it was a red tag clearance item, but these things you can find everywhere, okay? I found this at 2 places, okay? And both places were the exact same price. But at $24, okay, it sells for $50 on here on eBay, plus $9.99 shipping. I'm still making money. So why not buy a product like this? Now, here's the only advice I want to give you. When you're buying anything Nike, be very careful that it's not ripped. There's not stitches the stitching's coming out, that maybe the logo looks a little bit off. Any slight imperfection, you can risk your eBay or Amazon account by potentially selling a counterfeit item. So be very careful with that. You do not want to mess around with any type of counterfeits, okay? So if you think that, I don't know, it could make me $100, but I don't want to get my account shut down because it could be considered a counterfeit item because the stitching is a little bit off. It's missing a tag. If it's missing a tag, do not buy a Nike item, especially any type of Jordan brand product, okay? That is one thing that gets the account shut down so fast, is any type of counterfeit claim. You will struggle to get your account back, or you may never get it back. You're just done, all right? So be careful with that. All right, so before you go, let me give you a couple tips when it comes to doing any type of retail arbitrage on eBay, on Amazon, on any of the online platforms. The first thing, you have to be consistent. You can go and buy 100 items today, you put them all on Amazon or list them on eBay and not do anything for the next month. But what I recommend is be consistent. Go and buy 10 things and list those 10 things today. Tomorrow, go buy another 10 things and list those 10 items tomorrow. The next day, 10 things and list those 10 things the next day. If you are consistent, and I mean absolutely consistent, every single day you do the exact same stuff, you're gonna start making more money and you can turn that profit a little bit faster. Tip number 2, when you get money back, so the 4 things I sold today, the $150 I'm making profit, probably about $130 of that is gonna go back into the business, okay? And I'm gonna take the $20 and that's pretty much gonna cover my gas, okay? A little bit of the expenses, that's it. I'm gonna take the majority of my money, the profits that I made, and reinvest it back into more inventory so that I can take that $150 and maybe buy, because those shoes, they cost me $16 a piece. 2 pairs of shoes, $16 a piece, that's $32. The toy probably cost me about $20, okay, so there's $52. The lotion, it cost me $5.99, okay, and it sold for a pretty good amount. Now, all those things combined were under $60, so I can pretty much double that, okay, buy $120 worth of stuff and hopefully make $300 the next time around. Now, is that always gonna happen? No, it's not, but it could. So if you are ready to go out there and start making money, you need to start now. Start today, okay? Go to TJ Maxx, go to Marshall's, go to Walmart if you have to, and just find products that are selling for a little bit more than what you currently paid for it. If you can buy it for $5 and it sells for $15, you're probably gonna make some money, especially if it's a light product. So if you guys have any questions, you can always ask questions down in the comment section below. If you enjoyed today's video, want more videos just like this one, make sure you smash that thumbs up button, subscribe if you haven't done so already. Also, click that notification bell so you don't miss any more of my videos, and I'll see you guys on the next one.